Hello everyone, so today I'll explain you about AMC Navigenio, which is the world's smallest mobile oven. Let's get started. The Navigenio is a mobile hot plate which is an essential tool in the kitchen which can be used for both indoor and outdoor purpose. This can be used to prepare delightful dishes like pizza, bread or cake. So the Navigenio can be connected to the AMC Cook & Go app via Bluetooth. And it can also be connected to the Audiotherm, which helps in monitoring the cooking function. So the Navigenio has two functions, one as a hot plate and the other as a overhead function. So now we'll see what the control knob does in the hot plate mode. So the control knob here has 6 levels of heating for manual cooking, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And it also has an A setting which can be used for self-controlled cooking, which is the automatic mode. So here if you see, so when the Navigenio is switched on, you can see the red light inside, which is the coil being heated up through the tempered glass. So I'm going to explain regarding the display options. So when I switch on the Navigenio, the glowing red color which is seen here, it indicates that the Navigenio is switched on. Once that is done, the Navigenio heats up instantly. And the flashing blue light which you see here, it indicates that the Navigenio and Audiotherm are connected through Bluetooth. Whereas the flashing light which you can see here indicates that the Navigenio is hot and is connected to power. Now I'll show you the display options of the control knob when the Navigenio is used in overhead function. I'll be using the Navigenio for overhead function. The Navigenio in the overhead function has two heat settings, that is level 1 and level 2. The level 1 is used for baking, which requires low heat and which has to be baked for longer duration, whereas level 2 is used for grilling or gratinating to make recipes such as pizza or tandoori chicken, etc. So the alternatively flashing blue or red light indicates that the Navigenio is ready to get connected to the Audiotherm. Whereas the flashing blue light indicates that the Navigenio is connected with the Audiotherm. The flashing red light indicates that the Navigenio is hot and is connected to a power supply. Now I'll be explaining about the self-controlled cooking or the automatic cooking which we can do using Navigenio. So after switching on the Navigenio to A, which is the automatic mode, and after fixing the Audiotherm independently controls the entire cooking process. The Navigenio in hot plate mode is suitable for 16, 20 and 24 cm AMC pots and for hot pan and for 20 and 24 cm Eurasia oak. In the overhead function, it is suitable for 20 and 24 cm pots and for 24 cm Eurasia oak. So the do's of the product are: use only the original connection cable which is provided along with the Navigenio, connect it only to 15 ampere plug, only touch the handles of the Navigenio. So the don'ts of the product are: never put the Navigenio on a hot burner, do not use Navigenio to do open cooking recipes like deep frying or to make sweets which take longer duration or to boil milk. Do not use the glass ceramic surface as a cutting surface. Do not use any sharp objects and avoid point loads on the Navigenio. Do not put the Navigenio on the heat sensitive surfaces like plastic sheets. Never prepare food directly or in packed form on the Navigenio, for example keeping tandoori sticks directly on the surface. Do not use Navigenio for heating a room. Connect the appliance only to a power supply with voltage which is specified on the nameplate, for example only to 220 to 240 volts. The power cord which is present here must not come in contact with the hot cooking plate or the cookware. Do not put the Navigenio with the ceramic surface facing downwards. Navigenio can only be used by adults and in adult supervision. So the cleaning and maintenance of the product are: disconnect the power cord from the power socket before you start cleaning. Let the appliance completely cool down before cleaning. Never immerse it in water or in dishwasher. Always clean the Navigenio with a clean or a damp cloth and dry it off with a cloth. Clean the Navigenio after every use. Always store the Navigenio in the bag which is provided along with it. For more information, always follow the instructions mentioned in the manual which is provided along with the Navigenio at the time of purchase. Thank you.